What's up you guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video we're going to be installing a pedal commander onto the Jeep, and we're also going to be giving one away, so make sure to stay until the end of the video if you guys do want to win one of these bad boys. Doesn't matter what kind of vehicle you have, so make sure to stay tuned. So in today's video I'm going to try not to kill so much time off as far as on the installation process, because you guys have seen many videos that I've posted up on it. So I'm going to try to do this really quick, and then I'll go ahead and go through the modes as quick as I can, and then give you guys the details. That way you guys can enter and be a happy pedal commander owner. So let's go ahead and get to the video and show you how it's done. As always, before we get into the installation process, I want to show you what comes inside the box. So inside the box, as always, you're going to go ahead and get your alcohol wipe, which you're going to need wherever you place this bad boy, which I'll show you. You're going to go ahead and get your double-sided Velcro tape right here, which is going to go in back of the actual pedal commander. Your pedal commander is here. You will have 4 different options, which I'll show you guys once we install it. And then right here is going to be the T connection for the T harness, which I'll show you how to do. It's pretty easy. It's straightforward. For almost every vehicle, it will almost be the same. So you're going to notice right here is the connection. You're going to notice this red piece here. You want to open it up just like that. And then here's the other side. So now we're going to go ahead and go onto the pedal. It also has like that burgundy connection connected to the actual gas pedal. So let's go ahead and pull that back. So once you've pulled this back towards you, now it will release just like that. Now that we have the T connection of the pedal commander right here, of course this one is going to be the one that goes connected to the gas pedal. Once you connect it, you then push back this piece here and it will lock it into place. This other side is going to go connected to the harness of the actual pedal that goes to the Jeep, which you just took off. Now that you've connected it onto the gas pedal, of course you're left with the stock harness of the Jeep and then the harness from the pedal commander, the other side. Let's go ahead and connect those two sides now. Alright, so of course now you're left with this cord and the actual pedal commander. So go ahead and find the spot where you want to go ahead and place it and give it a test drive. So I'm going to go ahead and start first. Let's just start all out. Let's go Sport Plus, +4. Right now, once I test these little quick modes out really quick, after that we'll go ahead and give you guys the details on how you guys can enter to win one of these bad boys. Let's try it out. I'm in Sport Plus, 4+. So let's see. I'm not pushing the gas pedal just yet. I'm going to wait till I get on the street in Mexico. If you guys have ever driven a Jeep, the newer ones, you know their gas pedals are already kind of sensitive. So let's see. Nice. So that was good. That was really good. Another cool thing about Jeeps, the turning ratio on these new ones is really good. You could probably flip it right away. Alright, let's do one more pull. Alright you guys, so of course I didn't go too in-depth on the installation or anything like that. If you guys do want to see in-depth installs on like my Tacoma or just review videos on the actual pedal commander and what it could do for you, make sure to check out the description box below because I've done many videos on it already. But for today's video, the main purpose was to give one of these bad boys away. Doesn't matter what vehicle you have, as long as they make it for your car, it's available. All right, so let's go ahead and give you guys the details. So the first thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is make sure you're a subscriber to my YouTube channel. The second thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is go subscribe to Pedal Commander's YouTube channel as well. They'll be in the description box below. And then the third thing you want to go ahead and do is just comment down below why you guys think you guys deserve one of these. It's going to be that simple. Please make sure to like this video, share it as well. That's not part of the entry, but I would appreciate it. So once again, be subscribed to my YouTube channel, be subscribed to Pedal Commander's YouTube channel. Comment down below why you deserve it. That's it. It's going to be that simple. So if you guys did enjoy today's video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll go ahead and announce the winner in 2 weeks.